Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if the rewrite option is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with making our translations. In the upper right corner we have the settings option to manage how this application works. So let's go and take a look at how to fix the problem if rewrite is not available in your application. So basically guys, this generally involves troubleshooting browser extensions if you're using the browser version of the DeepL application. But if you're using the application on your mobile phone, what you can do is reopen the application after checking that all the services are online. So go to Google and search for DeepL service status and see if everything is working correctly. If it is, you want to reopen the application, maybe even reinstall it. So what you can do is delete the application from your phone and reinstall it to get the latest version and to clear your cache and see if this fixes the problem. If the problem still persists and you cannot see it, what you want to do, go to the upper left corner, click on your profile icon, scroll down and find the help center. In the help center, you can get in touch with customer support, explain what your problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.